Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reactivate a deleted Facebook page. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you need to do is open up Facebook, then click on your profile icon on the top right. And once you're on here, just go to Pages, and near the bottom it should say Deactivated Pages. So all you need to do is select Activate. This will just let you know activating this page will make it visible to the public. People will be able to like this page and share posts. So once you're happy with that, just select Activate Page. And then your page will be reactivated. And you can switch straight to that page as well. And that's how you can reactivate a deleted Facebook page. Thanks for watching.